In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter stocks by volume in Tradingview Screener. Volume is a key piece of market information because it shows how actively a stock is being traded. Filtering by volume helps you quickly focus on liquid names, spot unusual activity, and avoid thinly traded stocks that can be harder to enter or exit. First, open Tradingview from the top navigation. Click Products, then choose Screeners and select Stocks. This opens the stock screener table where you'll build your filter. Next, open the Filters panel. Click the plus Add Filters button at the top of the screener table. A menu will slide out with a search bar and categories of criteria you can apply. In the search bar of the filter menu, type volume. This immediately displays all volume-related criteria, so you don't have to scroll through unrelated options. Select the volume filter to add it to your active filters list. You'll see options to fine-tune exactly how volume is measured. Under the interval setting, choose the time frame you want the volume to reference. From 1 day up to 1 month, shorter intervals are useful for day, 2-day activity, while a monthly interval helps you look at broader participation. Move to the Condition tab to define how the filter should behave. You can choose above to show stocks with volume greater than a value, below for less than, between to define a range, outside to exclude a middle range, or equal for an exact match. Above is great for ensuring a minimum level of liquidity, while between helps you target a specific activity band. Under the Target section, pick exactly what you want to compare. Choose Value if you want to enter a raw number. For example, setting above and entering 1. 0. 0 will show only stocks with volume greater than 1 million shares for your selected interval. Choose Average Volume to compare today's trading to a moving average, such as a 10-day average. This is helpful for highlighting unusual participation, like when current volume is above the recent norm. Or select Volume to work directly with the current interval's volume and set a threshold or a range, such as between 1 and 5 million. To focus on moderately to highly liquid names. As you adjust the interval, condition, target, and values, the screener updates to reflect only the stocks that match your criteria. Start broad to get a sense of the market. Then tighten your thresholds to refine the list. When you are satisfied, review the results and you are ready to move on to deeper analysis or charting. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.